This problem, we have got a wire which has a diameter of 1.7 millimeter, diameter of 1.7 millimeter. So let's just write that down. Diameter is equal to 1.7 millimeter, and the length of 1.3 meters. So L is given to us, which is 1.3 meter. The resistance is 15 milli ohms. This M is standing for milli. So the resistance value is given to us as 15 milli ohm. What is the resistivity of the metal from which it is made? So we want to find what's the value for rho. First, let's just write the formula here. R equal rho L over A. That's the formula which we have to use. So if we compare with the data which is given to us, we have the value for R, we have the value for L, but we don't have the value for A. So A, because it's a wire, area of cross section for a wire is circular in shape. So area of cross section for the wire, which is circle, will be given as pi r square, where r is the radius. But we have got diameter. So to get the radius, we will divide the diameter by 2. That will come out as 0.85 millimeter. Okay. So now it's given in millimeter, so we want to convert that into meter. So we'll write that R equal 0.85 times 10 to the power of negative 3 meters. That means we'll divide it by 1000, which is same as multiplying by 10 to the power negative 3. So you can also divide by 1000, that's the same thing. Then L is also known to us. So now let's just check. We have got R, which can give us area. Area will be pi r square. So we'll get that as pi r, which is 0.85 times 10 to the power of negative 3 square. I'm going to use my calculator to calculate this. So first let's get the radius, 0.85 times 10 to the power negative 3, the square of that multiplied by pi. That gives you the value as 2.27. So 269, that's what the calculator shows. I'm rounding it off. 2.27 times 10 to the power of negative 6 meter square. Now if we look at the formula is for resistance, and we want to find what's the resistivity. So we can arrange the formula here itself. We can do RA equal rho L, and then divide both the sides by L, so that we can make rho as the subject of the formula. L will get cancelled from here, so rho will be equal to RA over L. Now we have got resistance is 15 milliohms. So milli, we need to convert again. Milli means you have to multiply by 10 to the power negative 3, or you have to divide by 1000. It's the same thing. So I'm going to multiply here. So R is 15 times 10 to the power negative 3 times the area, which we have calculated, 2.27 times 10 to the power negative 6 over L, which is 1.3. So we can calculate this. Again, I'm going to use the fraction option in my calculator. 15 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 2.27 times 10 to the power of negative 6 over 1.3, and that gives me the answer as 2.619. So I'm going to write it as 2.62 times 10 to the power of negative 8, and its resistivity. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter.